Today's tutorial will be in two parts: how to create a Comic Life poster and how to submit that poster to Google Drive for teacher marking. Our task today is in two parts. First of all, to photograph or to collect two examples of transparent, translucent and opaque materials, and then to collate our knowledge and information into a Comic Life poster. First of all, we'll need to get our photographs. So by going to Safari, I can search for photographs of items that I'd like. So I'm looking for items that are transparent, so I might look for clear water. There's a good example of that there. I can hold my finger down on the image and select Save Image. Once again, by going to the top search box, I can delete my previous search and enter in a new search. So glass would be a good example. Select the appropriate image, tap and hold, and then click Save Image. If I close Safari now, those two photographs will be in my camera roll. Now it's time to load up Comic Life. So search for Comic Life in your search apps box, and up comes the program. Up the top left hand corner is a plus button. If I click on that and create comic, there are a number of canvases there. I'm going to select the blank canvas. Just for illustration, I'll create part of the poster now. If I want to change the background color, I click up on the eye at the top right, and I can select any color there that I'd like. To create headings, I click and drag the lettering box at the bottom. Oops. Drop and retype. Now I have a heading. I can move that. If I tap on it, it will reveal blue handles, which allows me to resize. If I tap on it again, there's an option in the menu to reshape, which allows me to also reshape. For my photographs, I'll go down and click on the blank panel and drag it up to the position I'd like it. Once again, using those blue handles, I can reshape it. A quick way of getting to is to tap on the very edge of the box, which is a little tricky, and up comes the menu where I can select copy, tap on the blank canvas over here, tap again and paste, and then I can slightly reposition if I need to. Now to add my photographs, I click on the photo icon. From here the student has the option to use the live camera to capture their picture, so there might be something in or around the classroom they could use. Or we can use the pictures we've previously saved by selecting the option Photo Library. If I click on Photo Library, in my camera roll there, you can see the two pictures I got from Safari. I'll tap on one. It automatically crops it inside my panel. So now I'll tap on my second box. Once again, Photo Library, and put in my glass picture. So there are my two objects. If I want to add a definition there, I come down and click on the text box and drag it up to where I'd like. and I can start typing in my definition. Okay, I won't be very happy with the way that that's come out there, so I can just reshape my text box. So I tap on it, and once again the blue handles come up, and I can drag that to a larger size. I can also, whilst that is selected, change the appearance of that box by going to the eye again. In here, in the options at the bottom, I once again have different colors. I can change the borders, so I'll just change the color, put in, say, light green. I'll change the border to a darker blue. And there's even effects there as well, so lots of things that you can do, such as turning on shadows on the box. Okay. The only other thing I'd like to do is make my text a little bit larger. So if I tap inside the box, double tap inside the box, it will select my text. I can then once again come up to my eye, and in here there's the option to make it larger. There's also the option to bold or underline, or as I want to do now, center it. And there we have, there's part of our finished poster completed. That's part one of using Comic Life. I'll just finally tap on my comics to bring me back to the start of the program. And the final thing I'll do is give it a name. You can see it's named blank. So if I just tap on the image again, I can then tap on the word blank, delete and rename. It's also useful for the student to name it with their name so that they don't get it confused with somebody else using the iPad, and finally click done. There we have first part. You can see over here I've done a completed version of the task with the other translucent and opaque examples.